Hello creative people, welcome to brand new Photoshop tutorial by Ashikul Islam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select hair perfectly without wasting times. So guys, we'll have a great tutorial for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Open your Photoshop and import your image. You can press Ctrl J or drag your image down to make a copy of it. Now create a new solid with any light color. Now select the quick selection tool, then make a rough selection around the subject. Now go to select and click on the select and mask by holding shift to open refine edge. Now simply draw over the area where there are hairs. Now output it as new layer with layer mask. Now you will see that the hair are not looking naturally perfect, so we are going to make it perfect. Create a new layer, then right click on the layer and click on the create clipping mask. Select the stamp tool and hold Alt to pick a portion, then draw over the area where you see the fringes. Now continue the steps until you get a perfect look. If you turn your layer on and off, you will see the difference. Now, if you change the color of the background, you will see that the hair is looking perfect on any color. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have fun.